Need to get some of this coolant, but it's way up there, so I'm just gonna use the club with hooks. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so my neighbor, a guy I've been building cabinets with, learning some things with him, he wants to put some seafoam right in this engine here. So he got that one with a sprayer on it. You blow directly into the intake. Looks like I'm gonna have to just get in there a little bit. I have to get myself a step ladder because this thing sits pretty high off the ground. This is a nice truck. It's got a, I think it's a 4.3 liter V6. He says it has really good gas mileage. He gets about 19 city, a little bit more on the highway. And it's got 65,000 miles, I think he said on it. Says it hasn't given him any problems. So, I mean, I always thought, you get a truck, get a V8, have lots of power, this and that. But if you're just hauling a few things around, towing around town, doing it for work, daily driver, I think this would be the way to go. V6 is not bad. It's a beautiful truck. For these intake rings, I find that they always are an 8mm mostly on these Chevys. Mostly always. Loosen that up for the intake, which we're going to pull that off the throttle body. Got that seafoam with the straw, which we're just going to insert back in through here and start the vehicle. All right. Got my buddy in the truck here, my neighbor, and he's going to start it up. And we're going to do about 2,500 RPMs. So he's going to hold it at about 2,500 RPMs, and I'm just going to spray this right in there. So just do this until the can is empty. Don't see any smoke coming out the tailpipe. And this engine, I mean, it's a V6. There's barely any ticks coming out of it, any noises. Seems like a pretty solid motor. Well, this is the first time I've seen this. We emptied out that whole can inside the throttle body, and there is no smoke billowing out of here whatsoever. We even let it hot soak for about 15-20 minutes or so. It's looking clean, looking good. The engine sounds really nice. Alright, I'm just going to make a quick little video here while sitting in my car. So I picked up this Husky flashlight not too long ago, and it's already malfunctioning. Like, you turn it certain ways. I mean, it's like you're going to probably do it while we're in the car, but it has cut out, so it's got a lifetime warranty, which I'm going to take that back to Home Depot, get that traded out. And also, y'all know the world is getting crazy, right? Just the other day, my friend, he was going to Taco Bell. He's at the drive-thru, and he saw a homeless person beating on the hood of other people's cars. So it's like, yo, you beat on the hood of my car, I'm gonna have to take action, but you know, I don't want to take like lethal force. So I just picked up some pepper spray from a local gun shop, which I'm gonna be keeping in my car, because people are nuts. Coming up begging for money, get in your face, just vandalize your property, you know, with the riots going on. Everything is just, you gotta protect yourself, even if that means, you know, using non-lethal force. But if this is what it came down to, this is what it came down to. Alright, I'm here at Home Depot. Sound Little Buffalo, got the mask on. So the flashlight that I got, it looks like it might be discontinued. Maybe they're having a lot of problems with it, because I don't see it here or at the this other Home Depot that I went to. So I might have to just get my money back or trade it for something else, but nothing else here worth a damn. So here at Topgolf, after like an hour and a half of playing, my hands are sweaty, and golf club went sailing out of my hand.
You got it right here.
Go, 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 go. Woo!
Happy 4th of July, America!
America! Me again, Dave. No! It's me again. All right, here I am at Me Again Dave's house. He's got this 20-year-old Stanley staple gun. I'm gonna put one into this can here. Let's see what's up.
Spring assisted staple gun.
Spring assisted staple gun. It's like it grazed it right about there. Let's try another one.
Point blank range.
Ah, it's rocking it back and forth, but let's see what's up.
We didn't know what they were going to do, and luckily we didn't decide to do it.
it's stuck in there.
Hey.
It's stuck in
It's
there.
in.
It's in, and it's leaking all over his phone.
Going.
All right, so seems like there's a little safety lever here on this Milwaukee. You just saw that hand staple gun. So I'm gonna push this in and take a shot right at this can, just like we did with that Stanley. Let's see what's up. Let's see if it's stuck in there or not. Where the fuck did the can go? There it is. Let's see if there's a second staple anywhere. Nope. I think we're gonna have to go a little more point range there. I'm gonna lay it flat down.
Let's say we could use the
That way
table
it doesn't
vise.
fly out. So, got that safety guard there. Just gonna push it in with a screwdriver. Let's get point blank range. Nope. Flung right off. It will not stick. I think the Stanley wins this round.
Let's try it one more time with the handheld. Where'd that can go? I'm still recording. You have to edit the crap out of this.
I can edit it. Alright, so we go with the handheld again. You see there's already one staple in there
From the Stanley.
from the Stanley. Wow, that went all the way in that time.
Let me focus on that.
Right there. We'll put that on your channel. Was given a free drill, which, you know, usually don't turn down old tools, and went ahead and charged the battery up a little bit. Yeah, probably can't see that too well. Yeah, there it goes. Now she's really... Yeah, I think this one might be toast. Yeah, that thing is smoke. The more you use it, the more it starts to smoke. Look at that stream of smoke coming out of there. Still stinks, but no smoke. Check this little guy out. He's leaning to whatever side I pet him on.